You're all comfy and cute. Saturday morning. Don't be ripping books, dude.
All right, happy Saturday. Heading over to the show now. I didn't go meet Steve at Highland this morning. He texted me seeing if I just wanted to meet at the show instead. So, you know, that's fine. I got to sleep for an extra hour. But it's a little unfortunate because I was hoping to meet him in person and spend a little more time, get a little more FaceTime with him, because I know the thing about the shows, and this is going to sound a little, I don't know what the right word is for it, but at the shows, you're talking to someone, there's someone waiting to talk to you. It's hard to have a longer conversation with someone, I guess, because you know there's someone waiting for you, and yeah, so that's okay. I'm sure it'll be all right. I'm gonna head down to the lobby now, pick up Douglas, and we'll go. This charging battery thing is coming in really handy. I'm using it a lot. It lasts for a while too. It's charged 2 phones. I haven't charged this thing yet. So I haven't charged it yet. I charged 2 phones with it last night, and it's still at 77%. So this is very handy. My phone's seeing a lot of use. So good morning.
Hey.
What book are we reading today?
I don't know yet. Maybe if you're a vegetarian, remain vegetarian.
This boy is tired. He doesn't want to admit it. He rubs his face. I need a pancake. There's a little cake. It's super windy outside.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, every day.
That's cool.
My wife and I do a family vlog every day.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
That's cool. On YouTube.
Yeah. I can go back, I can see like when my son was, like we started a week after he was born.
Wow.
So I can go back, I can see what we were doing with him when she was on maternity leave and he was really small. It's cool.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So, it's public. It's not just for your own record. Scheduled at 10, but
The picture wall. All right, so we're here a little bit early. Well, half an hour, about half hour early before the doors open. Douglas has his stickers today. He didn't forget his stickers in his room today, so everyone's gonna get stickers from Douglas. Hey. She was showing me JR, and I think she dropped the phone. Hello, baby friend. I have the phone mounted on top of the camera, so I'm periscoping and talking to the camera at the same time. Good morning, everyone. No one's here yet. It's just me and April and Douglas are in the booth so far this morning, and the show isn't open yet. So I haven't actually walked around the show yet, so this is my first time walking around. I was here yesterday for a few hours. I was just in the booth the whole time though.
The only time you really see it is
And I'm sure I look ridiculous, walking around with the camera with the phone on top of it. I'm not selling anything, I'm just meet and greeting. We just have a booth where everyone can come in and say hi to us. What's going on? Here's the Jet Powermatic booth, or area, I guess. There's this guy.
Hey guys.
Hold this up, can you guys see more? Pretty big area.
Yeah,
Here's our booth. Our booths, we have 4 booths here. Look at this guy. Oh, there I am. There you are. You're in both places.
You periscoping?
Yeah, and recording for later.
Hello, everyone. We got pencils. Stop by.
Pencils.
Upside down, maybe?
Upside down pencils. And then here is the gates behind me. That's where everyone is waiting to come in before it opens. Pretty slick.
I think this kid wants to paint. Or at least eat paint. Ooh, we don't eat the paint. Hey, what are we doing here? Making a mess? Are we making a mess? Are you gonna clean up that mess? I feel like the answer is no. No, no, no. Put it back, please. Put it back, please. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Pancake. Does he just kick you? Naughty baby, huh? Okay, bye, JR. Roll away. What do you think he's up to now? JR, you better not pull those out. No, no. My love, we don't do that. Thank you. Good job. You keep those in there. That's where they go. I know. So this is a new trick. One side to the other. Okay, this is really gross. Sorry, Pancake was eating that rubber band. That's what was gross, not him. Gotta get those. How you gonna do it? Okay, what are you gonna do? You're gonna walk over there? Okay. Counts. You gotta do it yourself though. I'm not gonna move you. There you go. One more. Okay, one more after that. You did it! You did it, little boo. That was smart. Now what, dude? You got him. Look at this. You're holding yourself up. Holy crap. Spoils of his work. I know, it gets him silly, but he likes it. This one's too big. Yes, I bought him the exact same sweater, just in the size 12 to 18. The last one was 3 to 6. Because it looks so cute in it. He needs it. Look at him. What's our next move?
Oh, did you? I'll have to ask her for the pictures. lot of people here. Just hanging out. You don't know where I went.